Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to refer a friend in Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. So, first of all, you need to open your web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in bet365.com. Once you type it in, press enter. Once you get to this space, make sure you log into your account by clicking on this button. Enter your login credentials, then click on Login. And once you're logged in, click on your profile at the top right corner. Then, this pop-up will appear. On this pop-up, you can see this tab My Offers. Click on it. Then, on this section, you'll find a referral code. Once you find the referral code, copy the code and give it to your friend via any messaging app or social media. Once your friend receives the code, they'll also have to go to this website, bet365.com. And once they are on this website, they'll have to click on this Join button. Now, once they get to this page, scroll a bit down. Then, on this area where it says Bonus Code, they'll have to paste the code in this box and join Bet365. Once they have done so, both of you will be rewarded. So, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.